Defects of vision and their corrections. Some people cannot see things clearly due to loss of accommodation power of the lenses in their eyes. Because of defective refraction by the lenses, their vision becomes faint and fuzzy. In general, there are 3 types of refraction defects: nearsightedness, myopia. In this case, the eye can see nearby objects clearly, but the distant objects appear indistinct. This means that the far point of the eye is not at infinity but shifts closer to the eye. In nearsightedness, the image of a distant object forms in front of the retina. There are 2 reasons for this defect. 1. The curvature of the cornea and the eye lens increases. The muscles near the lens cannot relax so that the converging power of the lens remains large. 2. The eyeball elongates so that the distance between the lens and the retina increases. This defect can be corrected by using spectacles with concave lens of proper focal length. This lens diverges the incident rays, and these diverged rays can be converged by the lens in the eye to form the image on the retina. The focal length of concave lens is negative, so a lens with negative power is required for correcting nearsightedness. The power of the lens is different for different eyes depending on the magnitude of their nearsightedness. Farsightedness or hypermetropia. In this defect, the human eye can see distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects distinctly. This means that the near point of the eye is no longer at 25 cm but shifts farther away. As shown in the figure, the images of nearby objects get formed behind the retina. There are 2 reasons for farsightedness. 1. Curvature of the cornea and the eye lens decreases so that the converging power of the lens becomes less. 2. Due to the flattening of the eyeball, the distance between the lens and the retina decreases. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens with proper focal length. This lens converges the incident rays before they reach the lens. The lens then converges them to form the image on the retina. The focal length of a convex lens is positive, thus the spectacles used to correct farsightedness has positive power. The power of these lenses is different depending on the extent of farsightedness. Presbyopia. Generally, the focusing power of the eye lens decreases with age. The muscles near the lens lose their ability to change the focal length of the lens. The near point of the lens shifts farther from the eye. Because of this, old people cannot see nearby objects clearly. Sometimes people suffer from nearsightedness as well as farsightedness. In such a case, bifocal lenses are required to correct the defect. In such lenses, the upper part is concave lens and corrects nearsightedness, while the lower part is a convex lens which corrects the farsightedness. Try this. 1. Make a list of students in your class using spectacles. 2. Record the power of their lenses. Find out and note which type of defect of vision they suffer from. Which defect is most common among the students? Internet, my friend. Get more information from the following websites: www.physics.org, www.britannica.com.